Hi guys, I just wanted to tell you who won tonight's drawing. We had two winners because we hit so many subscribers at once. So I was doing them in 25s. So the winners are Zale Rain. You won. Zale, yay! And Dark Prince Lucy, you won. Woo! So you each get a reading at your convenience. We do Skype, Facebook video chat, email, or Facebook Messenger, your choice. Give me a twinkle on my Facebook that's linked to my videos, and we'll get busy on getting your readings done. I am so happy you won. Stay tuned, guys. When we hit 100, we're going to have a giveaway. I showed everything in the live chat that was going in the giveaway, and I hope to see you all soon. Remember, you're divine, sacred beings of light and love, and have a good night.